Hey folks, Zoe Maya here. Welcome back to Haven's Kitchen. Today we're making Southwestern chopped chicken salad. We love this recipe because it's such a hearty salad. It's chock full of protein and crunchiness and juicy vegetables, and it's so easy to put together. Our tangy barbecue sauce is my favorite barbecue sauce on the market. Rather than being packed with high fructose corn syrup and all of these ingredients that you can't pronounce, it's sweetened with dates and plums, and the flavors are just like hitting in the best way possible. And honestly, I have chopped salad for dinner at least once a week. It's such a great way to throw in some of my favorite vegetables, any meat or fish I might have on hand. And if you want to skip the meat, beans and corn are also a complete protein and they're so good for you. You're really going to love this recipe. If this recipe sounds like one you'd like to make sure to subscribe to see all our future cooking videos. All right, let's cook. The first thing you want to do is get a cast iron grill pan or skillet heating. The grill pan is amazing to get nice, really deep char marks, but if you don't have one, a cast iron skillet works well too. We'll season our chicken thighs. You could also use breasts with salt and a little bit of oil, and we'll get those grilling while we prep the rest of our ingredients. For this salad, we'll be using crispy romaine lettuce, some juicy heirloom cherry tomatoes, a little bit of crunchy tortilla strips at the end, as well as corn, black beans, creamy avocado, and of course our tangy BBQ. And we'll add a little bit of lime juice and zest at the end for a pop of flavor. Let's head to the stove. So I'm gonna hit these chicken thighs with just a little bit of neutral high heat oil, as well as a generous sprinkling of salt. So a little grilling tip here, if you want to get those beautiful diamond hash marks, rotate your grilled pieces a quarter of the way, halfway through cooking. Awesome. All right, so we grilled our chicken, looks beautiful, crisp, nice and charred. While that was working, I also chopped my romaine lettuce and I got my avocado diced up as well. Next, we're gonna chop up our chicken thighs and toss them with our tangy barbecue sauce. Once our chicken is chopped, we're gonna toss it with about half a pouch of our tangy barbecue sauce. I love the smoky smell of this sauce. It really ties everything together. We'll also season with a few pinches of salt. All right, let's get this plated. So here we have it, our beautiful Southwestern chopped chicken salad. It smells amazing. We tossed our grilled chicken in our tangy barbecue sauce. We've got so many textures and flavors going on here with juicy tomatoes, crispy tortilla strips. I love the finish with the lime zest. I feel like that's a really underused ingredient. If you're gonna squeeze lime juice, always zest it first so that you get all of that delicious flavor and tang. We also have crispy, crunchy lettuce, creamy avocado, black beans, corn. I mean, it's just brimming with flavor, with texture and color. It's piled high here, but once you get to the table, toss it for a beautiful final presentation. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to like this video and subscribe to see all of our future cooking videos. For the full recipe and a textable shopping list, click the link below. Thanks for watching. Cook happy.